Intro, 1 minute. Imagine walking through a forest, strolling along a reef, or simply looking out your window, and suddenly realizing that the rock you stepped over, the twig you brushed aside, or the branch you glanced at was actually a living creature. Nature is the ultimate master of disguise, and some animals have taken camouflage to an astonishing new level. They literally become everyday objects. In today's adventure, we'll meet 5 incredible species that hide so perfectly they could fool even the most observant eye. We'll learn how each animal pulls off its trick, discover the surprising science behind the illusion, and uncover a few quirky facts that will make you see the world a little differently. Ready to meet the stone that swims, the leaf that walks, and the branch that breathes? Let's dive in. Development, 7 minutes. 1. Stonefish, the living rock. Our first stop is the ocean floor, where the stonefish lies motionless among coral and sand. At first glance it looks like an ordinary piece of limestone, mottled gray and brown, speckled with tiny algae. That's exactly the point. The stonefish's skin is covered in bony plates that mimic the texture of a rock, and its coloration changes with the surrounding substrate through specialized pigment cells called chromatophores. Why does it need to look like a rock? 2 reasons. First, it is an ambush predator. Small fish and shrimp swim by, thinking they're safe near the rock, only to be snapped up by the stonefish's rapid, suction-driven bite. Second, it is one of the most venomous fishes on the planet. Its dorsal spines deliver a potent toxin that can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death in humans. By blending in, the stonefish avoids being stepped on by larger animals that might accidentally crush it, preserving its camouflage and its deadly arsenal. A fascinating quirk, stonefish can actually control their coloration in a matter of seconds. When a diver approaches, they may shift from a dull stone hue to a brighter, warning-like pattern, signaling that they are not just an inanimate object. This flash can deter predators that have learned to associate bright colors with danger. So the next time you're snorkeling and you spot a stone that seems a little too still, remember, it might be a stonefish, waiting for its next unsuspecting snack. 2. Leaf-tailed gecko, the walking leaf. Leaving the sea, we travel to the rainforests of Madagascar, where the leaf-tailed gecko clings to tree trunks and branches. Its name says it all. The tail is shaped like a dead leaf, complete with veins, serrated edges, and a brown-green mottled pattern that matches the forest floor. The gecko's entire body is flattened, and its skin is covered in tiny, scale-like projections that break up its outline, making it look like a decaying leaf caught in the wind. The camouflage works on 2 levels. Visually, the gecko's coloration and texture blend with leaf litter, while its behavior adds the final touch. When threatened, it remains perfectly still, swaying gently as a breeze passes, a motion that mimics a leaf fluttering on a branch. This motion camouflage is so effective that researchers have recorded predators, such as birds and snakes, passing right over the gecko without noticing it. An unexpected fact, leaf-tailed geckos have a specialized set of toe pads that allow them to cling to smooth surfaces without leaving any trace. Their pads are covered in microscopic hair-like structures called setae, which create a molecular attraction called van der Waals force. This lets the gecko cling to vertical walls and even upside down on leaves, all while remaining invisible to the eye. Their ability to become a leaf is not just about looks, it's a perfect marriage of form, color, and physics. 3. Mimic octopus, the master of disguise. Now we plunge deeper into the ocean to meet the mimic octopus, a true shape-shifting magician of the sea. Unlike many cephalopods that rely on changing color alone, the mimic octopus can alter its entire body shape to impersonate other marine animals, and even inanimate objects. One of its most astonishing transformations is turning into a discarded seashell. By curling its arms tightly together, inflating its mantle, and adjusting its skin pattern to match the mottled brown of a broken shell, it becomes virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. Why mimic a shell? The answer lies in predator avoidance. Many fish that hunt octopuses avoid shells because they are hard to crack and often house dangerous occupants. By posing as a harmless shell, the octopus reduces the chance of being eaten. But the mimic octopus doesn't stop there. It can also imitate a sea snake, a flatfish, and even a lion's mane jellyfish, each disguise tailored to the specific threat it faces at that moment. A mind-blowing detail: the mimic octopus's brain contains a highly developed neural network that coordinates skin pigments, muscle control, and even the shape of its body in real time. Experiments have shown that when presented with a predator that prefers certain prey, the octopus will instantly select the most effective disguise. It's not random mimicry, it's a rapid, intelligent decision-making process. This level of adaptive camouflage is unparalleled in the animal kingdom and gives us a glimpse into the extraordinary problem-solving abilities of cephalopods. 4. Stick insect, the walking twig. Back on land, we encounter the stick insect, also known as the phasmid. At first glance, you might think you've spotted a dry twig or a broken branch, especially when the insect is perched among the foliage. Its body is elongated, cylindrical, and covered in tiny bumps that replicate the texture of bark. Some species even have tiny nodules that look like lichen or fungal growths, adding another layer of realism. The stick insect's camouflage is not only visual. Many species sway gently back and forth, matching the movement of a twig in a light breeze. This motion camouflage confuses predators that rely on detecting movement. If a bird spots a still insect, it may assume it is part of the plant and ignore it. If the insect moves, it does so in a way that mimics the natural sway of a branch, reducing suspicion. A surprising adaptation: certain stick insects can change their color over weeks to match seasonal changes in foliage. In the dry season, they become a lighter, more brownish hue, while in the rainy season they shift to a deeper green. This gradual transformation is controlled by hormonal changes triggered by temperature and daylight length, allowing the insect to stay hidden year after year. Their ability to become a twig extends beyond a single moment, it's a lifelong strategy woven into their biology. 5. Patoo bird, the broken branch. Our final marvel takes us to the nighttime canopies of Central and South America, where the patoo bird perches motionless on tree branches. The patoo's plumage is a mottled mix of grays, browns, and speckles, perfectly matching the bark of the trees it chooses. Its large, round eyes are concealed by a thin eyelid when it sleeps, giving the bird a flat, wooden appearance. What makes the patoo's disguise so effective is its posture. When perched, it aligns its body with the branch, stretches its neck, and opens its beak slightly, creating the illusion of a broken or dead branch stub. Even the faint shadows it casts blend with the surrounding foliage, making it virtually invisible during daylight. At night, the patoo becomes an aerial hunter, launching silently from its branch to snatch insects mid-flight. An intriguing fact: patoos have a highly specialized call that sounds like a mournful whistle. This call is used to establish territory and attract mates, but because the bird remains hidden, the sound can travel long distances without revealing its location. The combination of acoustic signaling and visual camouflage is a rare evolutionary pairing, allowing the patoo to thrive in both day and night. Conclusion: 1 minute. We have traveled from the ocean floor to the rainforest canopy, meeting a fish that masquerades as a rock, a gecko that becomes a leaf, an octopus that pretends to be a shell, an insect that turns into a twig, and a bird that looks like a broken branch. Each of these creatures uses a unique blend of color, texture, behavior, and even intelligence to disappear into the everyday world around them. Their disguises are not just tricks, they are survival tools honed over millions of years, showing us how creativity and adaptation shape life on Earth. Next time you spot a stone, a leaf, or a branch, take a closer look. You might just be sharing your space with a living masterpiece of camouflage. If you love discovering these sneaky critters, hit subscribe for daily cute animals and amazing facts. And don't forget to share this video so your friends can marvel at nature's hidden wonders too. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.